Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to Limited on Alchemy. Today we are breaking down Alchemy Pay, what they have actually built, what's progressing behind the scenes, and most importantly, what users and holders are genuinely frustrated about. If you're holding Alchemy or thinking of buying or just want clarity, then this video is really for you. And by the way, before the end of this video, I will also take you to the live chart as well to show you my price analysis and prediction of Alchemy. Now, first of all, let's take a look at what is Alchemy Pay. It is not a meme coin, by the way, and not a layer 1 hype project. It's a fiat to crypto payment infrastructure that connects traditional payment systems like Visa, MasterCard, bank transfers, and local fiat rails with the crypto world. The ACH token is designed to support this ecosystem through fees, incentive, and governance. But here's the key question. Is real adoption finally catching up with expectations? Let's start with what's actually moving forward. According to CryptoRank and TradingView updates, Alchemy Pay has been aggressively expanding in the United States regulatory space. They have secured money transmitter license in multiple US states, including Nebraska and South Dakota, which is, by the way, not easy, cheap, or fast. And this matters, by the way, because most of crypto payments projects never even attempt US compliance, and Alchemy Pay is leaning into it. On the ecosystem side, CoinMarketCap and CoinRank confirm new fiat on-ramp integrations, including deeper exchange ecosystem support like BitGet, expanding Alchemy's global payment reach across more than 150 regions. Alchemy Pay has also confirmed participation in major industry events like Consensus Hong Kong, which signals they are still actively positioning themselves as a serious payment player, not a dormant project. Now let's talk about upcoming projects, and these projects can really change the game if executed properly. At first, we have Alchemy Chain, which is, by the way, their own blockchain designed for stable coin payments and cross-border settlements as well. According to CoinMarketCap updates, this has faced delays, pushing timelines further than originally expected. And that delay is something the community is watching closely. At second, we have talk of native stablecoin and even a fiat to RWA investment platforms as well, allowing access to tokenized real-world assets like stocks or ETFs. If this launches smoothly, then Alchemy could finally gain direct transactional demand, not just speculative trading volume. Now let's address the uncomfortable part, which is user experience and sentiment. And based on Trustpilot reviews and Reddit discussions, recurring complaints include frozen or delayed funds, virtual card being unavailable for long periods, slow or unclear customer support responses, and account restricted without transparent explanations. And by the way, these are not small issues. For a payments company, trust and reliability are everything. Even long-term holders are openly saying that we see progress, but execution feels slow. If we summarize it all, then Alchemy Pay is doing something most crypto projects avoid: compliance, regulation, and boring infrastructure work. That's good for long-term survival, but the execution speed, user experience issues, and delayed milestones are holding Alchemy back. If Alchemy Chain launches properly and real transaction volume increases, then ACH could finally justify its existence beyond speculation. Until then, it remains a project with strong fundamentals, with weak sentiment, by the way, and right now the community is waiting for proof. Now we are on the live chart of Alchemy Pay, and this is the 7-day time frame chart. Previously, I've been showing you this breakout from this wedge, and after that, Alchemy Pay broke out another wedge, another wedge, another wedge. We had a nice rally, by the way, from this low to this high. That was overall almost more than 679% rally, but the price could not break out this key resistance of 5 cents. And now recently it has formed another channel. This is, by the way, a key support zone we have here. That starts from $0.0072 and goes to $0.0065. That has been also working as a recent swing low point before the breakout from this wedge. Here we had a long spike to the downside, but the price was bounced from the support of this channel. And then we had another bounce for a few weeks. We had touch points here at this support zone. And now the price line has once again reached the resistance of the channel. It is, in fact, getting rejected. And for example, if the price line breaks out this channel, then again, it can make another attempt to break out another very, very long-term downtrend line resistance that was, by the way, found here in the month of January 2022. You can see that we got rejection here. And after the breakout from this wedge, we had another rejection here. And after breaking out this wedge, we had another rejection here. Here we had a long spike when the price could not break it out. And therefore, after the breakout from this channel, I'm expecting that soon it can again read this downtrend and resistance. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 5.8 or 6 cents. And the long-term target for the breakout from this previous wedge will be here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for daily trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.